Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of revive and thrive ideas of transforming wooden benches into treasures. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Emotional storytelling, eco-friendly design, and profitable craftsmanship converge beautifully in the art of wooden bench makeovers, creating a rich tapestry that appeals to a wide audience. Imagine stepping into a workshop where the scent of aged wood and the sound of tools harmonize with the rhythm of creativity. For many, this is not just a workspace. It's a sanctuary where emotions transform raw materials into cherished pieces of art. Whether you are a beginner seeking a low-cost way to dive into this fulfilling craft, an artist yearning for a meaningful outlet, or an aspiring business owner hoping to make an impact while generating income, the journey of revamping a wooden bench offers a unique opportunity to connect with people on multiple levels. At its core, emotional storytelling infuses craftsmanship with profound meaning. Each wooden bench comes with its own history. Perhaps it once graced a family porch or served as a seat at a bustling cafe. When a craftsman undertakes a makeover, they breathe new life into this history, allowing the bench to narrate its stories anew. This emotional aspect can resonate deeply with customers who seek more than just furniture. They want to invest in pieces that embody memories, craftsmanship, and a sense of belonging. As you consider the emotional narratives tied to each piece of wood, you'll find that every scratch and knot tells a tale, creating a bond between creator and consumer that transcends mere functionality. Eco-friendly design plays a crucial role in this transformative process. In a world increasingly aware of its ecological footprint, more consumers are seeking sustainable options. A wooden bench makeover can be a gateway to eco-conscious living, showcasing the beauty of repurposed materials and sustainable practices. By utilizing reclaimed wood or eco-friendly finishes, you not only respect the environment, but also share a narrative that emphasizes sustainability. This approach invites customers to join in on a movement that seeks to preserve the planet for future generations while enjoying beautiful, handcrafted pieces. The act of turning a discarded bench into a stunning centerpiece becomes a profound statement about valuing resources and making mindful choices, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. The potential for profitable craftsmanship inherently ties into both emotional storytelling and eco-friendly design. Craftsmanship has always been an avenue for generating income, but the infusion of purpose and sustainability elevates it into a business model with lasting impact. When you create a wooden bench that tells a story of resilience and sustainability, you attract a market that values these qualities more than products churned out by machines. Each sale becomes more than a financial transaction. It represents a shared commitment to craftsmanship, storytelling, and mindful consumption. Whether you are just starting or are already well-versed in woodworking, revamping a wooden bench can serve as a practical entry point into this rewarding realm. The tools and techniques required for a bench makeover are often affordable, allowing you to gradually invest in your craft as your skills improve. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As you refine your techniques, you will notice the emotional narratives unfold through your work, infusing each piece with character. It's a rewarding cycle. The more you dive into the craft, the more emotionally invested you become in your creations, and the higher the quality of the craftsmanship. For artists seeking to express meaning through their work, a wooden bench makeover serves as a canvas ripe for creativity. This project provides ample room for personal expression and experimentation, whether you choose to maintain the organic look of reclaimed wood or add contemporary finishes that showcase your artistic vision. This blend of techniques can transform a simple bench into a standout piece that invites conversation and admiration, echoing the stories of those who sit upon it. The emotional connection you foster with your creations can inform your artistic choices, guiding you in selecting colors, textures, and designs that resonate with potential customers. As you embark on the journey of transforming wooden benches, you have the power to carve out a niche for yourself in the market. The intersection of emotional storytelling, eco-friendly design, and profitable craftsmanship sets the stage for a unique business model that will resonate with various audiences. These qualities are increasingly sought after in today's marketplace, where consumers are eager to support brands that align with their values. As you share the emotional stories behind each piece and emphasize the sustainable practices you employ, you not only build trust with your customers, but also cultivate a loyal community that thrives on shared ideals. Ultimately, the journey of revamping a wooden bench embodies more than just a physical transformation. It illustrates a philosophy that values creativity, sustainability, and meaningful connections. As you hone your skills and share your passion with others, you may find yourself fostering an environment that encourages collaboration and dialogue, making your workshop a hub of creativity and inspiration. The knotted grains of wood become a testament to your dedication, transforming simple materials into cherished heirlooms that echo the stories of those who appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship. In this way, emotional storytelling, eco-friendly design, and profitable craftsmanship harmonize, creating a narrative that fulfills both your artistic aspirations and your desire to make a tangible impact on the world around you. By embracing the myriad opportunities laid before you, you can cultivate a meaningful venture that not only brings delight to your customers, but also leaves a positive mark on the planet. Each wooden bench makeover becomes a chapter in a larger story, one that speaks to the power of creativity, the importance of sustainability, and the beauty of connection. As you pour your heart into every project, you'll discover that the combinations of emotion, eco-consciousness, and fine craftsmanship can lead to a thriving business that resonates far beyond the confines of your workshop. This fulfilling journey, whether taken as a hobby or a serious enterprise, promises to enrich your life while nurturing the wishes and histories of others, all through the simple yet profound act of transforming a piece of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked revive and thrive ideas of transforming wooden benches into treasures. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.